In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit text in a cell on Google Sheets. If a label or number spills into the next column or looks cut off, there's a fast way to make it fit perfectly. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you're working on. Once it's open, locate a cell where the text isn't fully visible. The goal is to resize its columns so the full contents show without altering your data. Move your mouse to the column headers at the top where you see the letters A, B, C, and so on. Position your cursor on the divider line between two columns, say between A and B. When you're exactly on that line, your cursor will change to a left-right resize arrow. Now, double-click. Google Sheets instantly adjusts the width of the column on the left side of that divider, in this case column in A, so it fits the longest entry in that column. Any text that was hidden should now appear completely inside the cell. If nothing changes, the column was probably already wide enough, or you adjusted the wrong divider for your target cell. This behaves the same way for every column. Hover on the right edge of the column you want to fix, wait for the resize cursor, then double-click. If the cursor doesn't change, nudge the mouse a few pixels until you're directly on the line. On a trackpad, make sure you perform a true double-click. Quick taps might not trigger the resize. If you misclick and resize the wrong column, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac to undo immediately. Behind the scenes, AutoFit scans the entire column, finds the widest formatted value, and sets the column just wide enough to display it. That includes things like currency symbols, commas, or longer month names and dates, so what you see is what prints. It also leaves your font size, alignment, and wrap settings untouched, which keeps your layout consistent with the rest of the sheet. If your sheet has merged cells or very long URLs, be aware the column may expand more than you expect. A quick undo will take you back. You can temporarily zoom out to see more, but zoom won't affect the fit. AutoFit calculates based on actual character width, not your screen zoom. And that's all it takes to fit text neatly inside a cell in Google Sheets. Open your file, hover on the column divider, and double-click to AutoFit. With this quick habit, your spreadsheets will look cleaner, be easier to scan, and feel far more professional.